Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the current affairs at 15th and 16th April. So as always, stay home, stay safe. Let us begin from the first question. Who became the first state to use allopathy with Ayurveda to treat COVID-19? So using allopathy with Ayurveda is a traditional medicine and allopathy is a modern medicine, and the combination of both will treat COVID-19. And the answer is the state Goa. They became the first state to do this. So about Goa, CM of Goa is Pramod Sawant, Governor is Satyapal Malik, capital is Panaji, and dance is Dhalo. Major rivers are Mandovi, Shal, and Juari. Next question is, who has been appointed as the director of Union Bank of India? So the answer is Virupaksha Mishra. So about Union Bank of India, its headquarters is in Mumbai, chairman is D. Sarkar, and tagline is good people to bank with. Next question is, which IIT has created a digital stethoscope iUSync? So the answer is IIT Bombay. Here the doctor and the nurses are providing service in this time. So to make some difference between the patient and the doctors, IIT Bombay developed a stethoscope which is called as iUSync. Digitally, the doctors will know the heartbeat or the heart rate of or any function or any vibration in the chest of a patient. So it will be a good development. The next question is, which country to host 2020 Asian Boxing Championship? The answer is India, but the spot where it will be conducted, the Asian Boxing Championship, it will not be provided till now, so it will be decided later. So India will host 2020 Asian Boxing Championship. Next question is, who became the first state to start pool testing of COVID-19? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. So what is pool testing? Here when a COVID patient is coming, we individually testing the sample of a COVID-19 patient, but here we take at a time 10 people's blood sampling and it will be tested. If it will not found positive, then all are negative, and if that sample will find positive, then we will check the individuals of that in that case. So tool testing started. First state to start pool testing is Uttar Pradesh. So about Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath is the CM of Uttar Pradesh, Governor is Anandiben Patel, capital is Lucknow. It is near Gomati river, and rivers, major rivers are Ganga, Yamuna, Gomati, Betua, Ghagar, Chambal. Dance is Kathak, which is classical dance of India, and Nautangi is also the folk dance of Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, ADB to increase COVID-19 package to how much dollar? From $6.5 billion. So previously it announced that it will give $6.5 billion rupees, but now it increased from that 6 billion to $20 billion. So about ADB, Asian Development Bank, it is established in the year 1966. President is Masatsugu Asakawa, and headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. Next question is, World Art Day celebrated on? So why you use this Art Day? Because as there are various religious people lived in India, so there are various cultures also found in India. So to revive that art and culture, we celebrate Art Day, World Art Day on 15th April. Next question is, which ministry launched Dekho Apna Desh webinar series? So here the answer is Ministry of Tourism. So Dekho Apna Desh, we see the Minister of Tourism is Prahlad Singh Patel, to give information of several destinations, culture and heritage in India. Dekho Apna Desh started. So the first webinar was on City of Cities Delhi's personal diary, which is a long history of Delhi. So it will impact, as there is COVID-19, it is impact on domestic and international tourism. So Dekho Apna Desh program started. Next question is robots to serve food medicine to COVID-19 patients to which state? In which state? So the answer is Jharkhand. So there is a possibility that COVID-19 virus will transfer from the patient to the doctors or the nurses. So here robot will serve food and medicine for which the service providers, those are doctors and nurses, will avoid the patients and the patient also served by the robots. So this started by the Jharkhand government. And about Jharkhand, Hemant Soren is the CM, Draupadi Murmu is the governor, Ranchi is the capital, and major rivers are Damodar, Ganga, Vaitarani, Subarnarekha, Koil. So next question is nearby spot launched by which company to give information about local stores. So a program launched, that name is application launched, that name is nearby spot, which will provide information if there is any local store. So individuals will not wandering here and there, and as COVID-19 is there, so it may increase the number of persons or number of patients. So Google started nearby spot to locate the local stores. So about Google founded in the year 1998. Founders are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Headquarters in California, USA. CEO is Sundar Pichai. Parent company is Alphabet Inc. Next question is in which national park of India the country's first quarantine facility for animals has been established. So as we know, in America there is a tiger infected with COVID-19, and that tiger also infected due to human beings transformation to that animal. So here Indian government also started a quarantine facility for animals at Jim Corbett National Park, which is in Uttarakhand. Okay, so there will be 10 quarantine centers in that national park. So about Uttarakhand, Trivendra Singh Rawat is the CM, Baby Rani Maura is the governor of Uttarakhand, Dehradun is the capital, and major rivers are Alkananda, Yamuna, Bhagirathi, Mandakini. Next question is which IIT developed an antimicrobial spray based coating to permanent protective equipment. So when we use this antimicrobial spray on the protective equipment, then it will kill all the germs or microbes. So it will be very safe to wear this, and it also start a 3D ear guard. So the answer is IIT Guwahati. So it also start 3D printed ear guard, which will be very comfortable to use, that permanent protective equipment. And next question is which country approved sale of missiles worth USD 155 million to strengthen India. So to strengthen military base or military capacity of India, USA approved sale of missiles worth rupees 155 million. So about that deal, that is Harpoon Air launched anti-ship missile, that is first, and second is Mark 54 lightweight torpedoes. Torpedoes are that will be sent into the water by an aircraft which will hit the target. Okay, and the capital of US is Washington DC, currency is dollar, president is Donald Trump. And next question is who has developed Kovsak kiosk to collect COVID-19 samples. So here you see in the image, the patient will be stay inside this kiosk, and the doctor or nurses will take the samples from outside with their gloves and masks, so that the doctors and the patient will not be affected by the COVID-19 virus. So this initiative started by DRDO, and about DRDO, it is Defense Research and Development Organization. Chairman is G. Satish Reddy. Established in the year 1958, headquarters in New Delhi. So the last question is, which country was going to host bicycle race tournament Tour de France, but now it is postponed. So various tournaments postponed due to coronavirus disease. So here the Tour de France also postponed, as it is known as Tour de France. So the host country is France. So it is postponed 2 times in the First World War, first time, Second World War, second time, and COVID-19 third time. Okay, so about France, capital is Paris, currency is franc, and euro, president is Emmanuel Macron. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe your channel CS Patnaik CP Classes. For next videos, stay tuned to my channel.